How to fix Reddit chat not working. So if you want to fix Reddit chat not working, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Reddit application. Go with the bottom which has that chat option. And on chat, you can simply go and chat with someone, right? You will have the chat channel, you will have direct chat and everything. You can simply go with view all and you will have all of the channels. For now, we don't have any issues here, right? But if you have any issues right here, then what you need to do is you just need to simply search for Reddit, tap and hold onto that application, go with the app info. Under app info, you need to scroll down and go with storage and cache. And after that, tap on clear cache. Once you cleared your cache, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go with your Play Store. And on the Play Store, you need to search for Reddit. Once you've searched, you may have any updates under the Reddit application, so you just need to simply go and update the Reddit application. Once you update it, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you can open up your Reddit and go with the top left, which has that 3 bar, and you can go with your profile. So you will have the profile on the top right. Tap on your profile and then go with your profile settings and tap on the account settings, which is on the first option. Once you tap on it, you need to scroll down and you need to choose an option of chat and messaging permissions and make sure that you allow all of the permissions. You can choose anyone on Reddit on both chat request and direct messages so that you will receive the messages and you will fix your Reddit chat not working issues. But if this doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and restart your device. Press and hold on to that power button and you will have restart or reboot option depending on your Android device. You just need to simply go and restart or reboot and your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.